Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you guys already know, I'm gonna be showing you guys my makeup routine. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I get this look, then keep on watching. So for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys what I like to do on a daily basis when I wear makeup, because I do not wear makeup every day, but I'm gonna just be going step by step on what I do. So we're gonna go in with my first step, and that is moisturizing. This is the moisturizer I use, the Olay Active Hydrating Cream. Yeah, I'll just put a little bit of that on my skin so my skin isn't dry or flaky. Okay, so after I go in with the moisturizer, I like to go in first with some concealer. Lately I haven't been wearing concealer every single day when I do my makeup because I don't know, sometimes it looks a little cakey, but since I do have a little bit of blemishes, I'm gonna go over the blemishes. And this is the Wet n Wild concealer. The shade is 835 Fair Neutral, and this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna go over a few little red spots that I have and a little bit under my eyes because I do have a little bit of dark spot. Then I like to blend that out with a little brush like this one because it's just more precise, but you can really just use anything you like. Next step that I like to do is just to make sure that you blend it out everything evenly. I like to get a flat brush like this and just kind of like go over it a little bit just to kind of make sure everything's blended out, because it's hard to blend everything out fully with that little tiny brush. So for my next step, I like to use the Maybelline New York Super Stay Full Coverage Powder Foundation, and this is in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. This is what it looks like. And I like to put this on with a rounded brush like this one. So for my next step, what I like to use, it's an e.l.f. like brow gel type of pencil, and it's just in the shade Clear, and it looks like this. It's just like a little pencil. It kind of gives you that soap brow effect, and you rub that on your eyebrows and it literally helps them stay in place all day, and it kind of helps them look a lot fuller when you put on your product afterwards. So after I put on my brow gel, I like to go in with the e.l.f. Duo Eyebrow. And it's in the shade Medium, and this is what it looks like. Mine's just a little tore up because I've used this a lot. This is my favorite brow stuff to use, and I like to go in with just like an angled brush because it really gives you hair like strokes. So after I do my eyebrows, I like to use just like a little spoolie brush. You can use any kind, and just brush them out in order to blend the products good and get your brow hairs in place. For eyeshadow, I like to use the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbon palette, and it looks like this. And the colors are super pretty. So for today, I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Almond Truffle, this one right here. So the next thing I'm gonna do with this palette is use Satin Sheets, which is right here. It's that beautiful highlighted color, and that is my favorite highlight ever. And for that, I just use a little brush like this.
And I go ham with the highlight, girl.
Y'all see that? I love it. Obviously, you cannot forget brow highlight, so I use the same color, and I just use a little brush like this because it's small enough to get in that area. So yeah, just tap it in there and go under my brow. Now that that highlight is done, we're gonna move on to blush. For blush, I use the Peach Blur by Too Faced. So now that the blush is on, I'm gonna go in with my favorite lipstick of all time. It's ColourPop's Ultra Satin Lip in the shade Dopey. Oh my god. So for my next step, I'm going to contour, and I like to use the Too Faced Cocoa Contour, and it's light to medium. This is what it looks like. This is what the inside looks like, and it brings a little brush and everything. And I usually use dark cocoa and medium cocoa, and I mix the two. So I go in with this type of angled brush, and I go into both of the colors. Just lightly tap it because it's really pigmented, and you don't want to be looking crazy out here.
Get that double chin, girl. We all have one. It's okay.
Does anyone else hate that? Like when you're wearing hoops, it's so annoying to contour.
I have a big forehead, so I'm about to contour that too. It's a hack. Make your forehead look a little bit smaller. It's not gonna do miracles, but it's gonna make it look a little bit smaller.
It's fine. No way, that's my face. Sis, are you good? Like, dang. I can't believe that's my face. Like, anyways, okay, I might come back to fix the rest, but now I'm gonna move on to my nose. I like to use the little brush that comes in it. And for my nose, I also like to be a little bit more precise, so I go in after that with this Real Techniques brush, and it's just a little small round brush. I like to use it to really go in to the sides of my nose. So then we gotta blend it out a bit because we also don't want to look crazy out here, you know. Okay guys, so for my very last step, finally, I'm going to curl my lashes with this curler. And then I'm going to use my favorite mascara of all time, which is the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun filming this video, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys try out this makeup look on yourselves to see how you guys look with it. I'll be back soon with more videos for you guys. Bye!